In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription if you've decided you no longer need the service or simply want to switch to a different provider. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. I'll make the instructions clear and easy so you can complete the cancellation without stress. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. You can do this by typing hostinger.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the home page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. This control panel is where you manage all of your hosting plans, domains, services, and account settings. From here, your next step is to move toward the left side menu and look for the billing section. This is where all your payment details and subscription information are stored. Click on the billing tab, and once you're inside, you'll see several options related to invoices, payment methods, and active services. What you're looking for today is the subscriptions option. Select subscriptions and you'll see a complete list of every service tied to your Hostinger account. This usually includes hosting plans, domain renewals, email hosting, and any extra features you may have purchased. Take a moment to review the list and find the subscription you want to cancel. This is an important step, so make sure you're selecting the correct service. Once you click on the subscription, you should see a button or link that says Cancel Subscription. Hostinger may ask you to confirm your choice. Since canceling a subscription can affect any websites or services connected to it, follow the prompts and confirm your decision. After you confirm the cancellation, Hostinger will process the request and the subscription will no longer renew. In many cases, you may still have access to the service until the end of the billing cycle, but you won't be charged again. If the subscription includes a domain, email plan, or hosted website, make sure you have backups or alternative plans ready before canceling. If you run into any issues or if your dashboard looks different due to updates, you can always reach out to Hostinger support. Their support team is responsive and can guide you through any changes to the cancellation process. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger subscription. I hope this tutorial made the process easy and clear. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of my tutorials if you need help managing your online services.